T1.1 document will generally suit classroom theory sessions, although it might be used for other learning environments. Teachers and assessors need to write one of these for every session, but the generic information will be found on the T1 summary sheet, which must also be present at the session. Initially, you need to determine the measurable learning outcomes for the session. It's important that these sessions are measurable and not just statements that relate to the topics being taught. If you need extra support with these measurable learning outcomes, see the guidance sheet on how to write measurable learning outcomes on the Moodle Leap page. The learning outcomes section is slightly different from the old form. This time, you need to consider what all the learners are going to achieve in the session and what you expect some learners to achieve. For example, you might expect all learners in the session to locate 5 different joints in the skeletal system, but you may expect some learners to locate and explain the movement that's available at each joint. This differentiation for the whole group is very important and will relate to the group profile that you'll have summarised on the T1 document. Planning of the session focuses on learning, and it requests information about the learner's activities and the checks on learning that will take place. During these sections, it's important you expand on any points you've mentioned in the T1 summary sheet. For example, if you're implementing any strategies to assist a learner who requires additional support, or if during an activity you're embedding any issues relating to equality and diversity or maths and English skills. Finally, the evaluation section provides the opportunity for you to reflect on the session, allowing improvements for any future lessons. Any key points, strengths and areas for improvement raised in this section could be shared with your colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. You may find it useful to look at the examples provided on the Moodle Leap page.